Hi, this is Valerie with At My Home, and today we're going to check out the Alen Scentra, and Alen sent us this for the review. So we have a lot of Alen air purifiers in our house in different rooms and different sizes, and what's nice is that those purify the air, which is really nice, but sometimes you want a fresh scent. So Alen came up with this thing called the Scentra. It comes in 3 different scents. One's called Rest for sleeping, one's called Focus for good concentration, and then there's one called Renew, which is a nice fresh citrusy scent. So what we've got here is we've got a 2-pack. It's got the Rest and Focus. So let's open it up and see what they look like. Now these are designed to fit right on top of the Alen air purifiers. And these are the refills. So this one is Rest. And this one is Focus. Okay, so here's the Scentra. And now this one's empty. So let me open up the thing. Just push the buttons on the side. That's where you put the scent cartridge right there. And then you can dial up or down the scent. And you can see like a little bit more is coming out here. So you can dial that up or down. So let me go ahead and put one in. I'm going to use Rest. We're going to put this in our guest room. And here it is, little scent cartridge. And you can tell it says Lush Lavender and Vanilla. Put it right in. Woo, you can smell that right away. Snap the lid back on. Okay, so we've got the Scentra, and we're going to put it on this BreatheSmart 25i. So you just flip this thing up on the bottom so it stands up, and then you just find a place to put it where it holds on. And then you can dial it up or down depending on how much scent you want. That is the Alen Scentra. It comes in 3 different scents, and it's compatible with all Alen BreatheSmart air purifiers. Thank you for watching.